to download Picsart on PC. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can download or install Pix app on your PC. For that, you'll have to open your Microsoft Store on your PC, and in the Microsoft Store, you will see search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it and enter the keyword Picsart there. Then press enter. Below you will see the search results. Here click on the app to open the app page in the Microsoft Store. On the Picsart app page, click on the Get or Install button. This will start the download and installation process. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you can launch it by clicking on this Open button. Create an account there and start using the app to edit your photos and creating amazing artwork. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.